Hello students, today we will discuss about the chapter motion, which is the first chapter of class 9th physics. What is motion and what is rest? To know about the motion and rest, we have to know about the reference point. As the reference point is the main to know the whether body is at rest or the body is in motion. How? Let us suppose I am in the classroom, now I am standing. Whether I am in the rest position or in motion, if I will say that I am in the rest, we know I am on the surface of earth and earth is revolving around the sun. If the earth is in the motion and I am on the surface of the earth, how I will in rest? This rest position can be determined with the reference point of you. You are in the classroom and I am standing here. With reference to you, then we can say that I am in the rest because my position does not change with the passing of time. In this inverse, there is nothing which is absolutely rest. All are in the motion. All are in the motion. To know about the rest, what we can say? If the body doesn't change its position with respect to time, then the body is at rest. On the other hand, if the body changes its position with respect to surrounding, with the passing of time, then the body is said to be in motion. If the body doesn't change its position with respect to time, then the body is in rest. If the body changes its position with respect to surrounding, with the passing of time, then the body is said to be in motion. You know about the rest and motion. After that, we will discuss about scalar and vector. Scalar quantity and vector quantity. What is scalar? It has only magnitude. It has only magnitude. Magnitude means any value. Let us suppose if I will say the Ram ran 5 kilometers. In this case, direction is not given. But vector quantity, it has both magnitude and direction. Scalar quantity has only magnitude. Vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. If we give example, Rahim ran 2 kilometers. Here direction is not given. Direction is not given. But if we will say that Rahim ran 2 kilometers due east. In the second case, in which direction Rahim ran? In the east direction. But here direction is not given. So it is scalar quantity and it is vector quantity. There are so many physical quantities which are scalar. Mass is scalar quantity. Distance is scalar quantity. Speed is scalar. Power is scalar. Work is scalar. Energy. These are the scalar quantities. If we vector quantity, example, force is a vector quantity. If I say that a force is applied, in which direction force is applied, that must be mentioned. Whether it is meaningless. And acceleration, velocity, momentum, these are vector quantities. These are scalar quantity and these are vector quantities. Then we will discuss about the distance and the displacement. Distance and displacement. What is distance? In general, distance means total path covered by the body. Distance means total path covered by the body. What is displacement? The shortest distance between initial position and final position of the body. The shortest distance between initial position and final position of the body is called displacement. Let us suppose A is a place and B is a place. A person starts from A, there is a path in this way. Through C, he reached to B. Another path is there, like this one. Let us suppose A to C and C to B is 7 kilometers. And in this path, through the D, it is like 7.5 kilometers. And another path is there, like this path. And this is 5.6 kilometers. And this is the shortest distance. This straight line which joins from A to B, it is the shortest path. Let it be 4.2 kilometers. Then distance covered by the body through C, 7 kilometers or 7.5 kilometers or 5.6 kilometers. But displacement is only one. Distance may be varied, but displacement is always fixed. And it is always in a certain direction. So, distance is scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Understand? Total path covered by the body is called distance. the shortest path, the shortest distance between initial position and final position of the body. Is called displacement. Shortest distance between initial position and final position of the body is called the displacement. And distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. It is scalar, this vector. Distance never be 0 or negative, but displacement may be 0 or negative. These are main three differences between distance and displacement.